Okay, so I'm looking at a 2019 Acura RDX, and I'm going to show you guys how to get to your cabin filter if you want to replace it. It's going to be located back here in the glove box. And you see this panel that we have here, it is removable. It's removable. All we got to do is just pull up on it. The cabin filter is located in this guy right here. It looks like somebody's already been in here, but the way this cover works, let me put it back on for you, is that you need to push these tabs in on the sides. There's two of them. And once you do that, you can pull the cover off, and there's the cabin filter. You just pull it right out. So this one's been serviced before, but someone didn't put it together all the way. But if you need to get a cabin filter, I'll leave a link down in the description box so you can check that out. It's just a link to Amazon. So, but when you get your new one, you just reinstall it the same way you took the old one out. Alright. And you can see on the cover that it has the word up on it. Just put it back the way you found it, and then snap this cover right on there, and you're all done. Well, if the video was helpful, do me a favor and hit the thumbs up button. Please subscribe. I'll catch you guys in the next one.